For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9. The India Meteorological Department has sounded alarm bells to several North Indian states. As predicted, for the past couple of days, several states have been battered by heavy rainfall, thunderstorm and lightning. Now once again, the IMD has issued a weather alert to Delhi and several parts of India have been placed on yellow watch. According to IMD, a thunderstorm with rain and wind speed up to 20 to 40 kilometers per hour would occur in Delhi. The IMD has also forecast that heavy rainfall will continue in Bihar for the next 4 to 5 days.
If you talk, presently the monsoon trough runs close to foothills of Himalayas, and we are expecting it should continue for next 4-5 days. And there is southerly winds coming from Bay of Bengal over northeast India joining East India. Under its influence, we are expecting widespread activity from Bihar, then northeastern states. Widespread mean more than 75% station may receive the rainfall activity. If you talk about the heavy spells, it is likely to continue over this region for next again 4-5 days. Specifically, if you talk about Bihar, we are expecting isolated heavy to very heavy mean rainfall up to 12 centimeter likely to continue next 2 days, and thereafter it will decrease.
The southwest monsoon has reached every part of India, disrupting the normal life of the people. The weather department has issued a high alert for heavy rain in the entire state of Bihar, especially for the places located in north central and northeast Bihar. A red alert has been issued in some districts like West East Champaran, Gopalganj, Siwan, Araria and Kishanganj. As per reports, Bihar has received 92% more rainfall this year compared to the other years. Till date, Bihar has recorded 275 mm of rainfall starting from June. It is reported that more than 300 mm rainfall was recorded from the 8 districts which were on high alert. In the meantime, villages near Dibrugarh continued to be the worst affected by floods. The second wave of flood has brought miseries for the people of eastern Assam's Dibrugarh district. Several villages in Dibrugarh have been submerged in floodwater. According to reports, over 36,000 people in 119 villages have been affected due to floods. Dibrugarh District Administration has set up 26 relief camps for the flood-affected people and 3,184 inmates are staying at the camps. The heavy rainfall has also wreaked havoc in villages in Tinsukia, Assam. Officials have moved the villagers to safer places as their houses have been washed away in floodwaters.